world.
The scan is complete. There are no signs of shopalots anywhere.
That's good. But if a whole new shopalot species is formed, then our system may miss it.
Well then, I hope that never happens.
Good day, Mr. Amin.
Good day, Gulchin.
A very enjoyable day at Mr. Amin's market. Fresh bread, legumes, vegetables, fruits. All items can be found here.
I suddenly feel so sad. Huh? What's happening? I just want to sulk and feel very sad now.
Mutlu, aren't you gonna come with?
Nah, I'd rather play with my marbles.
All right, Mutlu. See you later then.
What are these things? You! What are you? Ah! Shopalots! Oh no! Sister! But how did you get here? How did you pass the moon security system? But you're actually pretty cute. You're so sweet. You can stay in my pocket as long as you want. These are silly old marbles. Very old and boring. I don't like marbles anymore. They just aren't any fun.
Haha! Joy Shopalots took all your joy from you.
Hello there. May I have a loaf of bread, please?
We have no bread.
But it's there. I see the bread.
Not for sale.
What's wrong, Mr. Amin?
I don't know. Just this morning I lost my joy.
No bread, no pasta.
Huh? Look at that. It's a shopalot. Huh. I've never seen one that looked like that. Huh. Time to go on another mission. Zuzu, that was a super hit.
I learned it from you, Neşe.
Now come over here, sweet Shopalots. Not to me. You go over to them. Over there. Shh. Be quiet. You mock.
You mock. What's wrong? Ah, come over here, boy. That's my point.
Your point, of course. Because you play so well. You play better than anyone. I can't beat you.
Zuzu, did I do something to offend you? What happened?
Oh, no way! You know you shouldn't have touched me! Oh, I feel so sad!
These are shopalots. But how can this be? I see why Yumak kept on barking while I was playing. I need to transform. Put the medallion on your neck and let the colors fill the world around you. With the power of the pink planet, sparkle now becomes the word. Hello, Neşe. Hello there. We have a real serious problem.
Are they shopalots?
Yes, they are, but I don't know their exact species yet. I've never seen that species.
Neşe, we are coming to help you, and right away.
Come on, shield power! Take this, shopalots! No effect on them. Let's go home, you Muck. We need to do some shopalot research.
Hello, Council Chief. I did whatever you said, but something went sideways. One of the shopalots touched me and took all the joy away from me. How can you find that to be funny? I am so unhappy and I feel so grumpy. How am I supposed to get well? You don't know how? Ugh. Ugh.
Which shopalots are they? I don't see them here.
I was sitting here all day and so.
Huh? What's going on, Mom?
Something's wrong with Mutlu. He's just so unhappy.
Why are you using your medallion for, Sonny?
There are shopalots around. We need to be very careful.
Oh, they won't stop messing with the world.
Mutlu, how are you? Can I come in?
No, I don't want to see anyone. Go away.
We better leave him alone.
Someone help! Oh, I lost all my joy.
What's going on?
I need to go do something.
What are they?
The shopalots Neşe talked about.
Get out of here, get out!
But wait, they seem to be so sweet.
Stop! Don't touch them!
I don't feel so good. I lost all of my joy.
Something happened to me, too. I am both unhappy and grumpy.
Everyone is angry and unhappy.
I see that you found your medallion at last.
Goochlu!
Hey there, Neşe. Do you know anything about these shopalots?
I've never seen them before.
Yeah, me neither. My shopalot sleep technology doesn't seem to be working.
Neither does my beam power. They grow up so fast. Stop right there!
Thank you, Neşe.
Uh-oh. There's Gulchin. Gulchin, are you all right?
They are joy shopalots. They came here to try to take all the joy out of the world. I am so unhappy.
How do you know all this, Gulchin?
Why wouldn't I know, Neşe? Look around for yourself.
Neşe, what happened here?
I think I know what shopalots they are. They have to be joy shopalots.
Joy shopalots belong to the emotion shopalot group. We really don't know much about the emotion shopalot group.
Run! Oh, what am I doing stuck here? This is a very boring planet.
Minnie!
Oh no, they got Minnie too. So Mutlu is unhappy all because of these joy shopalots.
Come here, you troublemakers!
You can't make us unhappy anymore.
It smells like unhappiness.
Uh-oh, what is that?
I'm here in time.
I feel like I already know you.
This is my cousin, Moni.
That's me. I saw that things were bad, so I came over to help you get rid of all these joy shopalots. This is my joy shopalot machine right here.
Joy shopalot machine?
That's right. Built it.
I sure feel a lot better now. It looks like Pink Planet has new members. I wonder who they are.
There was no reason for me to feel unhappy, but I still couldn't help it.
And I suddenly started to feel terrible.
Anyway, things got back on track.
Ah, so your cousin Moni has a friend from Earth, just like Neşe does.
Yeah, but I still don't really know Goochlu's identity on Earth.
But at least we know about Pulchine's intentions.
You're right. She knew the shopalot species. Maybe just a lucky guess. I don't really know. And Yumok saw her watching us.
We need to be more careful now.